All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. We are back with Jamie Franks of Lantac. He's going to show us their new Glock pistols and accessories. So, all right, please take us through it.
All right, so we'll start with this one. This is one of our Lantac complete Glock firearms that you'll be able to order. You'll be able to basically go to the website or go to your dealer and configure the gun any which way you want it. And if you want it just like this, it'll come out of the box just like this. But I'll take you through piece by piece. You can purchase, like as I said, a complete firearm. You can purchase just a complete slide. Come on. There we go. All right, complete slide. Our slides are going to ship complete minus the barrel because a lot of people have already been buying our barrels. Our barrels have been out for about 7 months already. Our slides, the Razorback slides, we have a non-cut version, which is what this is, and then we have a window cut version so you can show off that Gucci barrel if you want to. Also save some weight. But our barrels are going to ship with Trijicon sights installed. They're all cut for the RMR. If you don't want to run the RMR, you can have the plate. But the slides will ship with our guide rod, our springs, our striker, our plunger, our connector, everything all ready to pair it with a barrel and drop it in your gun and it's going to work. So you're not going to need to shop around for those small parts like some of the other manufacturers. We have 6 different barrel options, or 6 different slide options. As I said, we had the windowed and the non-windowed for Glock 17 and Glock 19. And for the barrels, we have 12 different barrel options. We're going to have the Glock 17, Glock 19 barrels, threaded and non-threaded, available in 3 different titanium nitride finishes. This one is the hexagonal boron nitride. We're calling it stainless because it looks like stainless steel, but it's actually got a really good finish on there. So that's our complete slide and our barrels. We're also offering all the small parts individually. So if you are trying to build out, a different type of aftermarket slide, you can get our small parts such as the strikers, all of our springs, guide rod, all that stuff. This is showing pretty much a standard Gen 4 Glock 17 with our barrel. But what we're showing here really is this bushing that we have available in black nitride, and again that hexagonal boron nitride, so like a stainless finish though. This bushing allows you to basically adapt Glock Generation 3 parts to a Glock Generation 4 slide and frame. And this is the non-threaded version of the barrel, obviously. All of our barrels are fluted, so like I said, that may be why you would like to opt for the windowed slide. But all the barrels, the threaded barrels are all the same price. The non-threaded barrels are all the same price. There's about a $40 difference between the two. And then all of our slides, whether you get the windowed one, whether you get the Glock 17, whether you get the Glock 19, all of our slides are all the same price. So,
and you guys are running Terran Tactical base pads?
We're featuring the Terran Tactical Innovations base pads here. This is the +6 base pad. We are in talks with him to try to use his base pad, but kind of put our look to it. But for now, we're just featuring it with his base pads. Those are not available through our website. You can still get those through Terran Tactical.
So what would you be changing about the appearance?
It would basically just be the appearance would change to match the look of our slide.
Gotcha. One thing I noticed is that you're using a factory trigger on this gun, but it's still fairly smooth.
So this gun has a factory Glock trigger, except it has our connector in it. That's the only thing we've changed about the trigger. Yeah, we are offering full trigger kits. There's only one option. You either like our trigger or you don't. But those just came in. Actually, I think we got the first ones in the day SHOT Show started, so we unfortunately don't have them here on the booth. But yes, the stock trigger just with our connector makes a noticeable improvement to the trigger.
So what would this gun run with, let's say, without the RMR on it?
Without the RMR, the pricing on the complete gun is going to come in at a little over $1,000. The slides, our MSRP is going to be $839.99 on the slides. So on the streets, they'll probably be a little bit cheaper than that. And our barrels are $199. With the threaded barrels are $199. The non-threaded ones, I think, are $169.
Right, but so the complete gun with the barrel and
the complete gun out of the box with the mag well. All of our frames are going to be actual Glock frames. We're not using an aftermarket frame. We're using Glock frames. It'll have our stippling. They're going to come in probably around that $1,200 to $1,500 price point.
Not crazy.
not too crazy, but yeah, a little. You know, you're essentially doubling the price of a Glock, but you're coming out with a lot more. Yeah.
Very cool. All right, thank you, Jamie. Really appreciate
You're welcome.
it. Lantac and SHOT Show 2018, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.